Foldable phones have gone from futuristic gimmicks to fully functional daily drivers. And in 2025, Samsung refines years of foldable experience into their sleekest, smartest fold yet. On the other hand, OnePlus delivers a shockingly well-rounded debut with flagship specs and aggressive pricing. But which one truly deserves your pocket and your wallet? Let's break it down across design, display, performance, cameras, battery, and value. Let's begin with design and form factor. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a marvel of engineering, with its slimmer, lighter design that feels noticeably more refined than its predecessors. When folded, it measures just 8.9 millimeters in thickness and weighs around 215 grams, making it significantly more comfortable in the hand and in the pocket compared to previous generations. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover screen, and features an armor aluminum frame, giving it a premium yet durable feel. It also boasts IPX8 water resistance, which remains unmatched in the foldable market. The OnePlus Open, while slightly bulkier at 11.7 millimeters folded and 239 to 245 grams in weight, offers a different kind of polish. Its hinge, rated for up to 1 million folds, is exceptionally smooth and precise, and the device is available in either glass or vegan leather finishes. While it only has IPX4 splash resistance, it still manages to feel like a well-constructed and luxurious piece of hardware. The differences in physical design reflect the two companies' philosophies. Samsung aims for elegance and polish, while OnePlus emphasizes robustness and comfort. Display quality is a major talking point in any foldable comparison, and both devices shine in their own way. Samsung's outer display has finally evolved into a more usable 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a 21:9 aspect ratio, significantly improving one-handed usability. Once opened, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 reveals an expansive 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with LTPO 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits of peak brightness. The crease is less visible than before, and overall usability has taken a big leap. OnePlus counters with a 6.31-inch AMOLED display that feels even more like a traditional phone, wider, easier to type on, and incredibly responsive. The internal 7.82-inch AMOLED display also boasts 120Hz refresh rate and pushes brightness even further to 2800 nits, offering stellar visibility in any lighting conditions. Additionally, OnePlus has managed to nearly eliminate the crease, making the inner screen feel more seamless and immersive. While Samsung's displays are excellent, OnePlus arguably delivers a better day-to-day experience thanks to its more natural outer display and smoother inner panel. Performance-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, a 3nm chipset with AI-focused enhancements and higher clock speeds compared to the standard version. It comes with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and storage options that go up to 1TB using ultra-fast UFS 4.0. This makes multitasking and demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and AI-assisted photography incredibly fluid. Meanwhile, OnePlus Open runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is still an extremely capable chipset but is a generation behind. It comes in a single maxed-out configuration, 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In real-world use, the performance difference might not be very noticeable, as Oxygen OS remains one of the smoothest and most responsive Android skins out there. But for those who want the absolute cutting-edge internals, Samsung does edge ahead thanks to its newer processor and higher storage ceiling. In terms of camera systems, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 makes a big leap with its 200-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. It also incorporates AI enhancements like improved nightography, object detection, and new pro-level editing tools built into the Gallery app. The selfie setup includes a 10-megapixel punch-hole camera on the cover and another 10-megapixel inside the inner screen. Image quality from both is fantastic, but OnePlus stands out with superior color science, better telephoto clarity, and more natural-looking portraits, especially in good lighting. Samsung, however, holds its own with more consistent low-light performance and smarter software features. Software is where Samsung truly flexes its muscles. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 runs One UI 8 based on Android 16, and it's fully loaded with AI tools like Circle to Search, Live Translate, and Pro Visual Engine. Multitasking is seamless with features like app continuity, multi-window, and DeX support. Samsung also promises a massive 7 years of Android OS and security updates, giving it the longest support cycle in the Android world. The OnePlus Open ships with Oxygen OS 13.2 based on Android 13, and while its Open Canvas feature offers a novel way to multitask with sliding app panels, it lacks the broader AI integration that Samsung now offers. OnePlus promises 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Respectable, but not on par with Samsung's commitment. Battery life and charging are always a balancing act in foldables, and here both phones approach things differently. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 houses a 4400 mAh battery, which might seem small considering its size, but software optimization and the 3nm chip allow for improved battery longevity. It supports 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging for earbuds and wearables. On the other hand, OnePlus Open packs a larger 4805 mAh battery and offers blisteringly fast 67-watt wired charging, which can take the device from 0 to 100% in just over 40 minutes. However, it lacks wireless charging altogether, a noticeable omission in this price segment. If you're someone who values fast wired charging and longer usage time, OnePlus holds a strong advantage. But if wireless charging is important to you, Samsung remains the better choice. Finally, there's the matter of pricing and overall value. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999 for the base 12GB and 256GB storage model and stretches up to $2,419 for the maxed out 1TB variant. It's a premium phone with a premium price tag, and Samsung's pedigree, polish, and feature set justify it for those who want the absolute best. The OnePlus Open, in contrast, is aggressively priced at $1,699 for a single configuration with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. For most users, that's more than enough and represents serious value, especially considering its excellent displays, powerful cameras, and ultra-fast charging. While OnePlus skips a few premium touches like wireless charging and longer updates, it punches far above its weight. In the end, if you're after a device with the absolute best software ecosystem, unmatched long-term support, cutting-edge AI features, and wireless flexibility, the Z Fold 7 is worth every penny. But if you want a practical, high-performance foldable that nails the fundamentals and offers unbeatable value, the OnePlus Open is arguably the smarter buy.